Hi everyone, today I'm going to make wintermelon soup. First step, we boil the meat, stir until no more the dirt, and then we going to throw the water and rinse with cool water. And then throw the water. Okay, the second one we cut into cubic like this the wintermelon, and then soak the dry mushroom. Okay, now we add the meat inside, and then the wintermelon too. And then add the water. I use 2 bowls of the water, and then add the dry mushroom also. And then cover and let it boil. After the water boil, we make slow the fire. We going to make cook until 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours ready, the soup is ready. Okay, we add some little bit salt for the taste.